guys, okay, so I'm here with mail time, and this is from my amazing crafty friend Karen over at While Darcey Sleeps, and Karen Lorenz art as well, must not forget that one. Yeah, and I'm just going to get right into this. She predominantly crochets, although she does do numerous other things besides, as well as her new art. Well, it's not new, but, you know, her portraits and things like that, and which are just amazing. Not just pet portraits, but amazing. I have cut that so wonky, that's unreal. I have shown off some of her work on the channel before because I got pet portraits of my beloved Kit and Tommy when they passed. But yeah, so this one I couldn't resist. Every Christmas I get something handmade from Karen, crochet wise. Usually something for the grandchildren, like it's been, oh my goodness, it's been reindeers, it's been snowmen, it's been all sorts. Last year was a little crochet train, like Polar Express type train, which is awesome. And this year, I put her to the test again when I saw something on Facebook, and I'm like, oh, Karen, please, 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 can you do me this? And of course, she rose to the challenge, and loving it, loving it. Okay, so I've seen the finished article. Anybody who's, anybody who follows her on Facebook or Instagram will have probably seen it as well. So, Christmas card here for Victoria and Steve. Let's have a looky see. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, Karen, gorgeous. To Victoria, Steve and family, Merry Christmas. Lots of love from Karen, Neil and Caris. And this is one of Karen's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful art pictures. She's drawn this herself, all by hand obviously, and then she's had it sorted out to be a digital card. Oh my gosh, honestly guys, her stuff is just so beautiful. I'm so happy to have that. Beautiful. Oh, lovely. Her little signature there. Oh, I love it. That is beautiful. It needs framing, that, doesn't it? So let's put that over there, and we have tissue paper. Oh! And we have a Christmas wreath. We have a crochet Christmas wreath. Awesome! Awesome! Nice packaging for me to use. Crafted. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. It's even better in real life. Awesome. Little Santa hat, little stars, the mistletoe, candy cane, oh, snowflake, Christmas tree, more mistletoe or holly. Oh my gosh, and Santa. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. And a gingerbread man. Oh wow, and then a bell at the bottom. Oh, look at this, it's even got the little, it doesn't dingle, but it's even got the little bell in the bottom. Oh my goodness. Oh, Karen, I love it. It is awesome. Oh wow, that is just super awesome. Super, super awesome. Now, she's never done this before. I seen a post on Facebook. It just pops up in my newsfeed, and I'd seen it on Facebook, and it's a page that I follow that does free crochet patterns, knitting and crochet patterns. Like, they give the patterns for free, and they're free for commercial use as well if you'd like to follow the pattern and then sell them on. So I just clicked the link and shared it, sent it to Karen, and I'm like, please, 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 can you do this? Well, Karen will have done it, but obviously, well, Karen obviously did do it, but I very much doubt she'll have done it using the PDF file. Karen just looks at these things and thinks, I'll design my own. So Karen's likely, more than likely, I'm going to go out on a whim here and say that Karen has more than likely designed these on her own. I could be wrong, but she will correct me, no doubt, if I am wrong. But yeah, that is just awesome. It's super awesome. Oh, I love it so much. I love that she's put the little, I don't even know what that's called, but the bottom part of the bell, the dingy bit. I don't know what it's called, but it's cool. Oh my gosh, that is just freaking cool. I love it so much. Oh, it's just awesome. Awesome, awesome. Super cool, Karen. I love it. Oh, wow. And this is obviously not an outdoor wreath. It won't last. It won't, you know, it won't survive the elements, but it's not going outside anyway. It's just too adorable to go outside. So that will be, I will pop some ribbon or something through that bit there, and then it will get hung up in the living room with the Christmas decorations. But oh my goodness, I just had to open this on camera with you guys because I just love everything that Karen does. And yeah, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Karen, I love how every time I give you something that's not so much out of your comfort zone, but something that you haven't done yet, you're like, got it, I'm doing it, I'll try it. But yeah, so fabulous. I've had all sorts of quirky things off Karen. I really have. Quite a while ago, a good few years ago, I got her to make me a little poop. The little poop emoji. I got her to make me one of them. A similar one of them, it was a rainbow one. She made these before. These are like Christmas baubles, but they never went on the Christmas tree. They just get used here in the studio. Admittedly, I tend to put pins in them. And this gorgeous little cup of hot chocolate or whatever it is. Yeah, like I said, admittedly, I tend to put pins in them. I use them as pin cushions, but Tate, little grandchild, he likes to play with these, so he pinches them when he sees them. But I've got all sorts of stuff from Karen, and she's even got her own playlist in the YouTube playlist. I've even got my own playlist for Karen's stuff that I've got from her in the past, so please check out Karen's playlist for all the other stuff. And yeah, and she said that she loved this much, that she loved doing this that much, that next year she will be making more, and she will be making herself one, but she will be making them to sell as well. So yay! I'm so glad that by doing this, it's, you know, triggered you to say, right, well, I'm going to make more of these and put them in the shop next year, because that's just awesome. I'm so glad, you know, that I can help to add another product to your line of things. But yeah, awesome. I just love it. It is so cool. Anyway, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. Thank you so much, Karen. I love you as always. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, have a lovely weekend, and I will see you again soon. Bye.